going on, guys? We'll give it one more minute here and see if anybody else wants to join us. If you want to, let us know that you can hear us okay. Get in on chat. Let me know that everything sounds good on your end. Let me know what teams you guys have tonight. Want to know who's in watching and who's going to be in on chat. Andy, no teams are available. Everybody is claimed and everybody is paid up. Lee Dog, appreciate that. Andy, are you in this one, or are you only in the next two? Let me look at my sheet here. I think you're just in the next couple. Yeah, but no, definitely feel free to stick around and watch. And your two breaks will be coming up shortly after that. Looks like we got Eagles in the house. Definitely want to keep the Dolphin mojo going tonight. We did, let's see. Yeah, our first two Mosaic breaks, we did pretty well with Tua. We pulled a couple Tuas out of our last one, and then the one before that, we pulled a really nice green reactive Tua out of the mega box. So definitely some chances to pull some nice ones here. Definitely good luck to everybody tonight. Really appreciate you guys getting in and getting paid on time. Makes things run a lot smoother. Looks like quite a few more people are starting to join. Anybody who's just getting in, feel free to get in on the chat. You guys stay active in chat. Let me know what you're looking for. Definitely makes things a lot more fun if people are participating in the break. But we'll go ahead and get started here since we're not waiting on anybody to pay. So we got 5 mega boxes tonight. If you guys didn't watch the last mega box break we did, it was a pretty incredible break. The Bengals actually walked away with 5 Joe Burrows out of that break, which was pretty awesome. 3 of them came out of one box. And then the box that had 3 Joe Burrows also had a Genesis Pat Mahomes MVP card in it, which the Chiefs got Olivier. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If you're in here, feel free to correct me. Olivier had the Chiefs in that one, and he's got the Chiefs tonight as well. So we'll see. It's going to be hard to top a Pat Mahomes Genesis, but we'll see what we can do. But it would be really cool to find a Genesis tonight. It would be cool to find. We've only found 1 gold fluorescent so far, so we definitely want to find another gold fluorescent in here. Heck, a black 1 of 1 would be pretty sweet. But those are all pipe dreams until you actually pull them. So good luck to everybody, and here we go. Mm-hmm. All right, we'll get started with Nick Chubb of the Browns. We got our first rookie NFL debut, Cam Akers for the Rams. Congrats, Rams. Oh, and then we got a nice one for the Ravens. Green reactive Devin Duvernay rookie. Nice start for the Ravens. And then we got an old school Thurman Thomas for the Bills. Adam Thielen for the Vikings. Another rookie, Jeff Okudah for the Lions. Nice one for the Lions. We got a Ricky Williams reactive for the Dolphins. It's a pretty sweet one for the Dolphins. And then Chiefs, we got touchdown masters, Tony Gonzalez. Christian Kirk for the Cardinals. Got Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame for the Steelers. Got a Kareem Hunt green reactive for the Browns. And we got a silver here. Oh, nice one. There you go, Ravens. Silver Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl. You got the Devin Duvernay reactive, and now you got a Lamar Jackson silver. Nice start for the Ravens. Bobby Wagner, Seahawks. There's a James Morgan rookie for the Jets. There's a nice one for the Eagles. NFL debut Jalen Reagor, green reactive. Nice hit for the Eagles. And we got game Nick Chubb for the Browns. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Nice one for the Redskins. NFL debut Chase Young. Deshaun Jackson, green reactive for the Eagles. And Touchdown Masters Prism Todd Gurley for the Falcons. Alvin Kamara for the Saints. There's a Darrington Evans rookie for the Titans. Leonard Fournette, green reactive for the Jags. And a will to win Prism Khalil Mack for the Bears. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Steve Young, Hall of Fame, the Niners. Got an Anthony McFarland, green reactive rookie for the Steelers. Nice hit for the Steelers. And then we got a silver, not a rookie, that's a Jerome Bettis. That's also for the Steelers. So a nice Steelers pack there. Josh Allen for the Jags. Keyshawn Vaughn rookie for the Bucks. Max Crosby green reactive for the Raiders. And a will to win Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. A.J. Green for the Bengals. Calais Campbell Pro Bowl for the Jags. There's a green reactive Dick Butkus for the Bears. Got game Adam Thielen. I think this one actually has 5 cards in it. And the last one is a pretty nice one for the Chargers. Kenneth Murray, silver rookie. Nice hit for the Chargers. Haven't found Justin Herbert yet, but that's a nice way to start. Silver Kenneth Murray rookie. Carson Wentz for the Eagles. I think they're going to short us on this pack because they gave us an extra one in that one. There's a nice J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Ravens having a nice break so far. It's a good first box for them. And then another nice Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Hall of Fame reactive. All right, pretty good first box. No huge bangers in that one. Hopefully find a little bit more excitement out of the last 4 boxes. But definitely a nice box for the Ravens. And we had a couple other nice ones in there as well. Still looking for all those big name QBs. Tyler Lockett, the Seahawks. There's a nice one for the Packers. NFL debut, Jordan Love. Got a Hall of Fame reactive Michael Irvin for the Cowboys. And then we got a Prism Flea Flicker for the Vikings. Dalvin Cook, Kirk Cousins, and Adam Thielen. Pretty cool hit for the Vikings. Leighton Vander Esch for the Cowboys. There's a Brandon Ayuk rookie for the Niners. And another one for the Niners, George Kittle reactive. Nice hit there. And an LT touchdown masters for the Chargers. Stephon Gilmore for the Patriots. Hall of Fame Randy Moss for the Vikings. There's a nice one for the Cardinals. DeAndre Hopkins, green reactive. And we got our first Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs, got game insert. Lamar Jackson base for the Ravens. Henry Ruggs rookie for the Raiders. Oh, there's a nice one for the Bills. Zach Moss green reactive. Nice hit, Bills. And then another nice one for the Eagles. Silver Jalen Reagor. Couple nice Jalen Reagors already for the Eagles. Very nice. Dwayne Haskins, Redskins. Got Mark Andrews Pro Bowl. Aaron Donald reactive for the Rams. And Randy Moss will to win for the Vikings. Patriots or Saints? Nothing comes to mind yet for the Patriots or the Saints. Dick Butkus for the Bears. There's a Patrick Queen rookie for the Ravens. Ravens continuing to have a nice night. Oh, Chiefs. Another nice Patty Mahomes, green reactive. It's not a Genesis, but man, that's a nice card. Congrats, Chiefs. Oh, and then, wow, Touchdown Masters, Prism Patty Mahomes. Olivier, you're just killing it with these Chiefs breaks. Two really, really nice cards. Congrats, Olivier. The Genesis came out of a Mega. Joe Namath for the Jets. Chase Claypool, NFL debut for the Steelers. There's a nice one for the Colts. We hit big on Jacob Eason in the last break. He continues to come up. NFL debut, green reactive, Jacob Eason for the Colts. And old school Prism, Howie Long for the Raiders. Leonard Fournette for for the Jags. There's a Derek Brown rookie for the Panthers. Got a Mike Evans green reactive for the Bucks. And silver, not a rookie, Jarrett Stidham for the Patriots. LT, Chargers. Jerry Rice Hall of Fame for the Niners. Charles Tillman reactive for the Bears. And a Got Game Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. I'm not sure what a case consists of for megas. I would guess probably 12, but I'm not positive on that. Len Dawson for the Chiefs. There's a DeAndre Swift rookie for the Lions. Terrell Davis reactive for the Broncos. And a Kenny Golladay silver mosaic for the Lions. All right, 2 boxes down. Let's go ahead and throw up a few of these hits. Still on the prowl for all of our big name QBs. We did hit a Jordan Love NFL debut. Still looking for all the other big boys though. Let's see. I think the 2 Patty Mahomes need to go up there. Definitely a couple nice hits for the Chiefs. Jalen Reagor silver. Throw that up there for the Eagles. And let's see. We'll put that Lamar Jackson silver. And Zach Moss reactive. Cowboys, yeah, I'm not sure if we've hit any Cowboys yet. We typically hit a lot of old school Cowboys. A lot of Troy Aikman in this product. A couple other old school names. But yeah, definitely looking for that CeeDee Lamb for sure. Hopefully we find him in one of these next 3 boxes. Empty box. Yeah, Roger Staubach is big on this checklist as well. Yep, still looking for Tua. Hopefully he doesn't let us down. Jordan Hicks, Cardinals. Another DeAndre Swift for the Lions. There's a nice one for the Packers. Jordan Love, green reactive. Congrats, Packers. That's a big one there. And then we got a silver behind that. Hall of Fame, Steve Young for the Niners. Robert Woods for the Rams. Another Jordan Love, NFL debut. So we got two debuts, and then we got the reactive base. So nice night for the Packers so far. A.J. Brown reactive for the Titans. And a Got Game, Adrian Peterson for the Redskins. Philip Lindsay, Broncos. There's another Brandon Ayuk for the Niners. Travis Kelce reactive for the Chiefs. And Touchdown Masters Prism Peyton Manning for the Broncos. Drew Brees, Saints. Randy Moss Hall of Fame. Wow, Chiefs. MVP Pat Mahomes reactive. This is a Chiefs break here again. Man. Killing it. Again. Yeah, you got that right. Steve Young, old school for the Niners. Devin Singletary for the Bills. There's a nice Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Randy Moss reactive for the Vikings. And Melvin Gordon Silver Mosaic for the Broncos. Jared Cook for the Saints. Michael Thomas Pro Bowl for the Saints. Charles Woodson reactive for the Raiders. And Touchdown Masters Randy Moss for the Vikings. Gardner Minshew for the Jags. There's a Denzel Mims rookie for the Jets. Mark Ingram green reactive for the Ravens. And a Darius Leonard silver mosaic for the Colts. Yannick Ngakoue for the Jags. Another Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Raiders having a nice night. Ooh, and then a nice one for the Vikings. Justin Jefferson NFL debut green reactive. Nice hit, Vikings. And we got a Got Game Josh Allen for the Bills. Myles Garrett for the Browns. There's a Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Marshawn Lattimore, green reactive for the Saints. And a will to win Brett Favre for the Packers. Randall Cunningham for the Eagles. Here's a Lamar Jackson MVP for the Ravens. Jason Witten reactive for the Raiders. And Touchdown Masters Prism Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. All right, 3 boxes in. Still looking for all those big boys. Jordan Love's hitting big tonight, but no other QBs in sight outside of James Morgan. Empty box. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody, on box number 4. Let's find some QBs. Jerome Bettis, Steelers. All right, that's not the Bengal rookie we're looking for, but nice T. Higgins for the Bengals. Mark Brunell reactive for the Jags. And a Todd Gurley Prism Touchdown Masters for the Falcons. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. There's Tua. There's the NFL debut Tua. Hopefully, that's the first one, but hopefully not the last time that we see Tua tonight. Congrats, Dolphins. Ooh, there's a nice one for the Rams. Cam Akers, green reactive for the Rams. Very nice. And then we got a Prism Flea Flicker for the Bills. Devin Singletary, Josh Allen, and Stephon Diggs. Adam Thielen, Vikings. There's another Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Sony Michel for the Patriots, green reactive. And a Touchdown Masters, LaDainian Tomlinson for the Chargers. Mark Andrews for the Ravens. Troy Polamalu, Hall of Fame for the Steelers. Got a green reactive David Montgomery for the Bears. And a silver Cam Chancellor for the Seahawks. Bobby Wagner, Seahawks. There he is. It's a Tua box. Got the Tua base rookie to go with the NFL debut. Congrats again, Dolphins. Kirk Cousins, green reactive Pro Bowl for the Vikings. And another Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs. Got game insert. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Deshaun Watson Pro Bowl for the Texans. There's a Nick Bosa reactive for the Niners. And a silver Mosaic Jarvis Landry for the Browns. What's going on, JT? Got Alvin Kamara for the Saints. Javon Kinlaw for the Niners. Nice rookie there for the Niners. Kevin King, reactive for the Packers. DTM, you said your stream. Did anybody else's stream freeze? I've got it on my computer. I didn't see anything happen on my end. And then we got a Got Game, a DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Dang, you got a gold Tua? Whew. I hope we find one of those tonight in our boxes. All right, Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. There's a nice one for the Colts. Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut. Another nice one for the Packers. Green reactive A.J. Dillon to go with the green reactive Jordan Love earlier. Nice hit, Packers. And a Randy Moss will to win for the Vikings. Josh Allen for the Jags. There's a Jake Fromm rookie for the Bills. Dan Marino, green reactive. Not the Dolphins QB we want. We got a couple Tuas, but it'd be nice if we could find a reactive. And Got Game, Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. All right, last pack, box number 4. Darius Leonard for the Colts. Hall of Fame, Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. There's a nice one for the Cowboys. Zeke Elliott, green reactive. Nice hit, Cowboys. Ooh, and then Eagles, NFL debut, silver, Jalen Hurts. So you got a nice silver Jalen Reagor. Now you got a silver Jalen Hurts. Nice break for the Eagles. All right, everybody. Last box. Still looking for Burrow. We found 5 Burrows in our last break. See if we can find one tonight. Still looking for Herbert. He's been a tough one to find. I think we've only found 1 Herbert so far in the mega boxes. Hopefully we find another in this one. Empty box. All right, good luck everybody on this last box. We'll do a little recap at the end for anybody that came in late, or if you had any streaming issues. We'll do a recap of all the big hits. Got Chris Conley for the Jags. Another Justin Jefferson for the Vikings, NFL debut. Nice one for the Jags. C.J. Henderson, green reactive rookie. And we got Adam Thielen, got game for the Vikings. So that was Jags and Vikings, that pack. Michael Vick for the Falcons. There you go, Broncos. Jerry Jeudy, base rookie. Nice hit, Broncos. Cam Chancellor, reactive. I think we hit a Cam Chancellor silver earlier. And then we got a silver Mosaic Tyler Lockett for the Seahawks. So a couple nice Seahawks cards there. We have 3 Mosaic breaks that we're doing tonight, Saber. This is the only one where we're doing 5 mega boxes. The one after this is 10 blasters, and then the one after that is going to be a mix of hangers, blasters, and mega boxes. All right, we got Melvin Gordon. Looks like this Melvin Gordon's got some sort of indentation or scratch or something on the surface there. Just so you're aware, Broncos. Barry Sanders, Hall of Fame for the Lions. Another DeAndre Hopkins green reactive for the Cardinals. That's the second one of those tonight. And we got a got game Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Prism. And that was a hot box that you had, JT. You had a Herbert base, Jordan Love base, Tua gold. Wow, that's a hot box there. Kenny Golladay for the Lions. There's Joe. There you go, Bengals. You got Joey B. We found one. Nice hit for the Bengals. Kenny Golladay, Pro Bowl reactive for the Lions. And then there's a nice one for the Lions. DeAndre Swift, NFL debut, silver. Nice hit, Lions. No, the Zach Moss is not numbered. It's just the green reactive. I hope we hit a numbered card. Typically, you find the gold fluorescence in these mega boxes. Haven't seen one in a while. We pulled one a few nights ago. Haven't seen one since. James Conner for the Steelers. Harrison Smith, Pro Bowl for the Vikings. Dalvin Cook, green reactive for the Vikings. And Jerry Rice, old school for the Niners. Tre'Davious White for the Bills. Kenneth Murray, rookie for the Chargers. Oh, What do we got here? We got a gold fluorescent. Leonard Fournette. Not really the player we're looking for, but that's a nice hit for the Jags. Sorry, Bucks. I know Leonard Fournette is a Buck, but this is a Jags card. This Leonard Fournette is numbered 14 out of 20. 14 out of 20, gold fluorescent Leonard Fournette. Congrats to the Jags. Very nice hit. And Peyton Manning touchdown masters for the Broncos. Jason Taylor for the Dolphins. NFL debut A.J. Dillon for the Packers. Another Zeke Elliott reactive for the Cowboys. That's number 2 tonight. And it got game Miles Sanders for the Eagles. Carlos Hyde for the Texans. There's Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. Ooh, there's a nice one for the Redskins. Green reactive Chase Young. Nice hit, Redskins. And then we got a silver behind that. Packers, Jordy Nelson silver. Nice Jordy Nelson there for the Packers. All right, 2 packs left. See if we could find Herbert in one of these last 2 packs. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. Emmitt Smith, Hall of Fame for the Cowboys. Rod Woodson, green reactive for the Steelers. And a will to win Josh Allen prism for the Bills. Last pack. See if we can get some last pack magic here. Roquan Smith for the Bears. Antonio Gandy Golden, rookie for the Redskins. Wow, Chiefs again. Chiefs just absolutely killed it again tonight. Didn't pull any Genesis like the last time, but you got, what, 4? I want to say 4 Pat Mahomes prisms tonight. Another nice one for the Chiefs. And then we got a will to win Josh Jacobs prism for the Raiders. Yeah, CD Lamb is a tough one to pull. We we haven't pulled very many of him for sure. There are autos. They're hard to come by. For sure, there's definitely some autos in here. All right, let's take a look at what we've sleeved up so far, and then get you guys out of here. Some of you guys will be in our next break. If you guys are not in the next break, feel free to stick around and watch. We'll be opening 10 blasters in the next one, and then after that, we'll be opening 2 megas, 2 blasters, and 6 hangers. All right. We probably got a few more that we need to sleeve up, but we'll go through what we've got here. So we got Pat Mahomes, Touchdown Masters, the first of 4 different Pat Mahomes prisms that we pulled tonight. We got a Lamar Jackson Silver, Pro Bowl for the Ravens. Another Pat Mahomes, it's the reactive for the base. Jalen Reagor Silver for the Eagles. Zach Moss reactive for the Bills. Another Patty Mahomes reactive for the Chiefs. A really nice Chase Young reactive for the Redskins. Our lone gold fluorescent of the night goes to the Jags, Leonard Fournette, numbered 14 out of 20. Congrats again to the Jags. DeAndre Swift, NFL debut. That was a silver. And then we got Joe Burrow base for the Bengals. CJ Henderson reactive for the Jags. Nice night for the Jags. Jerry Jeudy base for the Broncos. NFL debut Jalen Hurts silver for the Eagles. A.J. Dillon reactive for the Packers. Jake Fromm base for the Bills. NFL debut Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. We got Tua base for the Dolphins. T. Higgins for the Bengals. Cam Akers reactive for the Rams. Another Tua for the Dolphins. That's the NFL debut. Chase Claypool rookie for the Steelers. Justin Jefferson NFL debut reactive for the Vikings. Henry Ruggs rookie for the Raiders. Another Pat Mahomes reactive. That's the MVP. Jordan Love NFL debut. A really nice Jordan Love green reactive. Really good break for the Packers here. DeAndre Swift rookie. Jacob Eason reactive debut for the Colts. Another Jordan Love debut. Brandon Ayuk rookie. I think we had a couple of those. J.K. Dobbins rookie. Kenneth Murray silver for the Chargers. Anthony McFarland green reactive for the Steelers. Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Jalen Reagor NFL debut reactive for the Eagles. And a Devin Duvernay reactive for the Ravens. DTM, I'm guessing you got the Chiefs in the last break. Yeah, I hope it continues as well. Always nice to see old Patty Mahomes in here. We've seen a lot of him over the last two breaks. Not only did we pull that Genesis, but I think we pulled maybe four or five other Pat Mahomes in that break as well. So we've seen a lot of him. Obviously, he's on the box, so maybe that means something. Yeah, so this was a pretty good break overall. Sorry to the Chargers that we weren't able to find Justin Herbert, but we did find that nice silver Kenneth Murray for you. So that was a nice pull there. We're going to have another break here in the next 15 minutes. We're going to do 10 blasters. Some of you guys are in it. If you're not, stick around and watch. And then we'll have a third Mosaic break after that. So should be a fun night. This was a good way to get started. Mega boxes are always fun. You get a lot of those green reactives in there. Sometimes you find those golds. We'll be doing another mega box break on Monday. 5 more mega boxes on Monday, and then 5 more mega boxes next Wednesday. So those are already up on eBay. You should be able to check them out now. And then Monday we're also doing another 10 blaster break as well. So all that stuff's up on eBay. Check us out. Come back and see us again. And we'll post our Facebook link in here in the chat. If you guys want to join our Facebook group, you can keep up with all of our upcoming breaks in there. And we always post all the big hits from the night as well. So we'll get that link in here so that you guys can click on that and join the Facebook group. So thank you guys again. Thanks for getting paid up on time and filling the break for us. And we will see you next time.